Great, welcome back, and I'm really happy to see you on part number 5. Now you really covered pretty good amount of knowledge and you are very familiar with plenty of technology on foundational level, technology that InterSystems Ensemble is providing and allowing you to develop integrational applications. So the last part I was showing you how to develop your own operations. If you look at this diagram here, you've got pretty basic kind of high level structure. What is the kind of flow of data? Messages. So you've got the front desk here, and you've got some accountant here and so on. So whenever someone, I'm giving you an example that comes from healthcare. If someone comes to the front desk and wants to register with their physician or general practitioner, the front desk management, they are using some kind of application to enter all the data. Then that data is being sent from that vendor to integration engine, and that data is sent as ADT type of messages. The messages here they are being processed, certain logic is being processed, something is happening here, and after that it is being sent further to physician. Well, let's say that your GP or so on, they log into the system, their own system. This is another vendor. They log into the system and they retrieve that data that was inputted here on the front desk. And then basically acknowledgements are going back here to integration engine, and also integration engine sends acknowledgements here. So operation was utilized here. Here you've got services. So it is pretty important part of integration development. In this part, in part number 5, I will teach you how to develop your own customizable settings. Well, what are the customizable settings? You probably are asking yourself. Well, if you don't want to at some point hard code anything, if you would like to have your application be more flexible, where you can basically change settings, you can set the whole interface of settings. Let's say where you've got input boxes, where you've got combo boxes, where you've got select check boxes, you can really do some really powerful interfaces where you can control the flow of data, and you can really control the whole logic without hard coding, without last minute developing something. And anyway, that should never ever happen, because if your system is already live and running, no one will allow you to do any last minute coding. So in part number 5, you will learn exactly how easy it is to develop your own customizable settings. So enjoy, and well, you are pretty almost done. The next part is the last part of InterSystems Foundation, part number 6. So in part number 6, you will really progress to something that most of the interface developers are mainly doing, and that's what they do. They do message transformations. So already inviting you to part 6, and in the meantime, enjoy part 5. Take care.